Hey, what's up, you guys? So right now I am on my way to go and get some hardware for my steering wheel because I don't like the polished hardware it came with. They're starting to strip out. But first I wanted to show you guys this noise that my car makes. Just get it started. So it's nothing to do with the engine or anything. And I don't know if you'll be able to hear it with the exhaust being as loud as it is, but oh wow, they didn't do it that time. But most of the time when I'm coming in and out of driveways or getting to work, especially because the driveway at work it's weird and I kind of go in at an angle. If not, then I'll fuck up the whole front bumper and the lip that I have on my MR2. But say I'm backing up and I'm parking at a spot at work, or I'm backing up here at home and I'm parking, it'll pop. It'll make popping noises and stuff, so I kind of know what it is. It's the struts and springs, because I'm pretty sure the rear doesn't do it, but the front does it a lot, and it's really noisy, and it's just something I don't like, and it probably means that my struts are shot, or that I need a new front suspension. So the other day, oh crap, the other day I was talking to some friends and just hanging out, and then I decided to come home. I'll put the windows up a little bit. Decided to come home and look at coilovers, which I already had looked into for this car. There's a lot of brands, the Tanes, the Megan Racing coilovers, the BC, which is what I went with. I ended up buying those on Amazon, which I wasn't too sure of doing because it could just be like a little sketchy, or yeah. So I bought those. I got them at a really good price. They're for $800, $900. So I kind of inspected the box when I received it at UPS, and everything checked out. It was fine. Everything was cool. I'll kind of go more into detail with what the process is and what I have to do with this car to actually get the struts and shocks out of here and put in the coilovers. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, you guys, so I'm back. I got the car kind of ready-ish. I just wanted to give like a little tour of the ride height right now. Let me move this box. Those are the coilovers. So it's maybe like 2.5, maybe 3 inches on the rear with the lowering springs, and right here like 3.5, maybe 3.5. And then let me show you guys the coilovers, which, like I said, I had already opened, and then it was crap, so I kind of just threw that video away. Let me get in here. So that's the box it came in. See it down the side, BC Racing. It came double boxed. Oh crap, it's not gonna stay up, but Comes with the, I guess, to register your coilovers with on the website or something. Instructions on how to use it, the dampening. It came with white BC racing stickers and black 2 and 2. It's pretty cool. And then I don't know what these are. I just know I've seen them on the car before, so I'm gonna be replacing the old ones with these on the front. And then these are the front. These are the front coilovers. Just the dampening and the adjustable dampening and the camber adjustment plate, which I wish the rear had. I'll probably have to buy something for that because they do have a little camber going on in the back, and that I don't want. So these are for the front. These are the backs. DC Racing. These are the BR series. These are the rear. No camber plate, just adjustable dampening. And then came with the wrenches for the lock rings and one Allen key for the camber plate, which is pretty cool. And right now I'm gonna jack up the car, take off both my strut bars, front and rear, and then well, first I'm gonna start off in the front because I have it's a brake line that needs to be taken off of the shock tower thing, whatever, and so that needs to come off. The rest of them I had already done previously, but I had somebody fix the front one time and he decided to put it all back together with, I didn't tell him, but he put it all back together correctly. I zip tied the rest because I knew I was gonna get coilover soon, so I'm gonna have to do that and then drain the line for a little bit, and it's gonna be a mess. So I'm gonna get to it. I'm gonna set up the camera and I'm gonna get started.
I found some better sounds no one's ever heard. I wish I had a better voice that sang some better words. I wish I found some chords in an order that is new. I wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think.
I loosened up the bolts a little bit. These two right here. Need to loosen up the top ones there. And then I need to get that brake line. Oh, this brake line here needs to come off of the strut, and there's no like little gap here to just like take off the clip and then take it out. I need to actually pinch this line. This gear has to go through and out from the strut to actually get it off. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. And let me set up the camera, and then I'll be back. Same clothes, homegrown, the stones thrown from Greek we used to roam. But it would remind us of when nothing really mattered. Out of student loans and treehouse homes, we all would take a ladder. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. My name's Blurry Face and I care what you think. Fine, no air in the system.
Wish we could turn back time
because I did clamp the bolts. drop it in there, and then lower the car, see how low it goes, and then either go lower or bring it up a little bit depending on the height. But I'm pretty sure I think I'm gonna like the way it's gonna sit. Stop. So
To the good old days, when the mom was saying us to sit, when I was stressed out. Used to play pretend, bunny. We used to play pretend, wake up, you need the money. Used to play pretend, bunny. We used to play pretend, wake up, you need the money. Used to play pretend, give each other different names. We would build a rocket ship and then we fly far away. Used to dream of outer space, but now they're laughing at the face.
I'm gonna fast forward all of the rest of the wheels, and then take it for a drive and see what it feels like.
Day and night, I toss and turn, I keep stressing my mind. I look for peace, but see I don't attain what I need for keeps this silly game we play. Look at this madness, the magnet keeps attracting me. I try to run, but see I'm not that fast. I think I'm first, but surely finish last. Cause day and night, the lonely stoner seems to free his mind at night. He's all alone through the day and night. The lonely loner seems to free his mind at night. Day and night, the lonely stoner seems to free his mind at night. He's all alone, some things will never change. The lonely loner seems to free his mind at night. No. Day and night, 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 day and night. Bang. Hold the phone. The lonely stoner, Mr. Solo Dolo. He's on the move, can't seem to shake the shade. Within his dreams, he sees the life he made. The pain is deep. A silent sleeper, you won't hear a peep. The girl he wants don't see no one in two. It seems the feelings that she had her through. Cause day and night, the lonely stoner seems to free his mind at night. He's all alone through the day and night. The lonely loner seems to free his mind at night. Day and night, bang. Day and night.
So I did put the coilovers on and then dropped the car and had to bring it back up to lower the coilovers, or because it was sitting like stock again. So it was a bit high for me. I lowered the front and the back 3/4 of an inch. So the back looks like it did when I had the lowering springs, but you can see in the front I only have like about an inch of space there, and I really like it. I think I might lower the back a little more, seeing as how I still have space to lower it, and I think if I lower the back, it'll bring my front end up a little bit, because I do only have about like 4 inches right there of space. then I won't be scraping everywhere. I already did before, so and I think I had like 5 or 6 inches on the from the lip to the floor, and I would still like scrape. Say I was going over railroad tracks or coming out of work, I would be scraping, and it's not something I want to be doing to my car, and I might even have to change that front lip out to the original 91 lip because it is too big. But yeah, I was gonna continue this episode with going to a car meet, but I think I'm just gonna have to make 2 episodes instead of just throwing it into one, because this one's already gonna be way too long. And yeah, so today later I'm gonna go to a meet, and I'm gonna tape there too, videotape, and do like a little episode there too. Peace.